Hi, in this video we are going to see the DRDO recruitment. So these are the apprenticeship jobs, guys, and here the selection is based upon the whatever the marks you got in the academics. So based upon that one the selection will be done. So no entrance exam and the no interview is there here. So really it is a very good news to the candidates whoever I'm going to show you the qualifications right now in this video. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who belongs to those qualifications and looking for the government jobs just like in the DRDO, guys. Okay. And before going into the main content of this video, if you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. So before going into the main content of this video, here one announcement is that the candidates who are preparing for the UGC December 2020 cycle exam. So from April 7th onwards, the revision through the previous year questions for the paper 1 as well as the electronic science. Okay, so utilize this opportunity, guys, and the details regarding this one I kept at the end of this video and the links I kept in the description box of this video. And now while coming to the present content of the video, so it is official notification or else a notice released by the DRDO, guys. Advertisement for engagement of apprentices. So here under the provision of Apprentices Act, here the research laboratory invites applications for engagement of apprenticeship for 1 year training in the following disciplines. So here the qualification required is ITI pass in the respective trades, guys. So fitter, machinist and turner, carpenter, electrician, electronics mechanic and mechanic motor vehicle and welder, computer and peripherals hardware, repair and maintenance mechanic, computer operator and programming assistant, so digital photographer and secretarial assistant and stenographer in Hindi and stenographer in English. So total 79 vacancies are there, guys, including from all the sections. And here the stipend for up to this category, up to mechanic, you will get the 8,050 rupees as stipend, and from these categories you will get the 7,700 as a stipend, guys. Okay. And coming to the application procedure, the candidates are required to apply through NAPS portal. So I will provide this PDF link in the description box of this video, guys. So you may directly click on this one, then you will be directed to the website link, guys. And all the required documents and certificates you have to upload in that portal. And after applying to the above mentioned portal, candidates are required to send us scanned copies of all relevant documents or certificates. That is 10th class certificate as well as ITA certificate and mark sheet, caste certificate and the ID proof, etc. in a single PDF file through email to this mentioned one. Okay. So application of candidates not submitting the scanned copy through email shall be rejected. That means you have to do the two things, guys. One is uploading the documents in this website, and the second one is scan those documents and send them to the provided mail ID. The last date to do all these things is the 17th May 2021. Okay. The selection procedure shall go, the board will go through the applications and shortlist the candidates as per the vacancies, and the candidates shall be selected on the merit basis, that is percentage of marks of qualifying examination. In case of ties happen, the marks of the lower examination shall be considered as a tiebreaker. So no exam, no written test, no interview. Okay, purely based upon your marks in the qualifying examination, that means in the ITA as well as the 10th, the selection will be done. And the date of commencement of training will be intimated to the shortlisted candidates through email or SMS or phone. Okay. Few more general instructions are given here, so please go through this one. I will provide this PDF link in the description box of this video, guys. Okay, and share this video to your friends or colleagues who belongs to these departments with ITA qualification. And for more notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. The candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards, And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here, if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide